Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about the difference between structure and the field symbol. Let me create a simple program and I will show you the difference between the structure and field symbol by debugging the simple program. So let me just create one simple program. I'm giving it as Z field symbol. I think there is no program with this name, and I'm giving a title, and I have to save. Okay, I'm saving it in my local object. Let me write one simple select query where I will be fetching the data from VBAK table. VKORG and VTWC also I will choose, and I will fetch the data into one internal table which is called as LT sales, and I will load the data from that internal table to a structure ls underscore sales, and I'm doing end loop. Same data I will be looping into a field symbol. So this is the syntax for using the field symbol at the using the inline declaration. And what I will do is for the sales I will update the AUDAT field with sci data with the current date. Same way I will be doing here, but I will replace here with the field symbol. Okay, now my program is saved and I will activate my program. Okay, I think there is a mistake in my ls data I have given here. So it is okay, my program is activated now. Let me execute this program and show you. Z field symbol. I will debug the program and I will tell you one by one difference. So I'm putting one breakpoint and I'm debugging. I will do a video on debugging, like what are the tips and tricks we have to use in debugging and all the available options in my future videos. So I have enabled my breakpoints and I got the data into my internal table also. So before looping, one main difference I wanted to tell you is the structure will be the blueprint of your data type elements, but the field symbol will always point to your memory location where the data is stored. It won't have like blueprint of your data types like that. And one more thing is a structure will always be a type of your table like that. But a field symbol can always be like type, it can be or it can be any type. You can give it as type any like that. It will hold anything. But for a structure, it has there should be always a type mentioned, a blueprint mentioned for your structure. So those are the two differences. And one more difference is like a structure won't reflect the data to your target entity. but a field symbol will reflect the data in your target entity or target whatever can be target object also. And obviously field symbols are very faster compared to structures, these are slower. So if you see here, I'm clicking on ls sales and all the data is stored, so a structure will hold the values and it is structure flat cat type 48. We will see the difference when we are in the field symbol. Before that, this AUDAT has some value, that is 2023 321, and if you observe the first record, this is the same value. So now I'm assigning our structure value for AUDAT for first record is changed with the current system date, but in the table it won't be updated since it is a structure. And I will put a breakpoint here and I will come out from there. And if you double click on this field symbol, it is showing us it is not assigned. It won't hold any data and it won't have any blueprint. According to your table, it will be randomly assigned after your loop statement. So if I click now, your field symbol has some data and this is how it is looking. So this is the difference which you can observe in the debugging mode. And this AUDAT has previous data, and after execution of this, your AUDAT has changed data. And if you observe here, this data is reflected in your target also, which means your internal table. So this way the field symbol will work and the structure won't update the data in your target. And obviously field symbols are very faster because those won't have any blueprints and it won't hold the data. It won't be allocated at runtime. So in many cases we will be going with the field symbols only, and in very few cases we will be going with the structures. And one thing you have to make sure is if you are writing, it is good way to write that if this is assigned. If this is not assigned and you are doing something means in some other cases, it will give you dump. So you have to treat your field symbols like a child. You have to do the particular checks before using the field symbols. I think this video is helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Happy learning.